Cryptocurrency has many niche-specific terms. It is confusing to the new. While the pros may not agree, ask them about their first day at the office and most will have second thoughts. In this video, we're going to share with you all the crypto-related terms you need to know in order to stay ahead of the game, and you might want to stay until the end. It might save you from a little embarrassment the next time someone asks you a crypto-related question. Let's begin. Number 1. Blockchain. Blockchains are digitally distributed ledgers that keep records of every entry, transaction specific to them. Blockchain technology is the foundation of cryptocurrencies, and there are many blockchains linked with particular projects. Notably, crypto is just one application, and there can be countless more, leveraging its immutability and transparency. Number 2. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency, aka crypto, are computer currencies. The oldest of them is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of them, each having different value and supply limits. Notably, it's their scarcity that helps their price move upwards, along with other major factors like their market acceptance. They are often touted as alternatives to fiat currencies. However, their limited practical usage makes them investment opportunities at best. Their value isn't based upon anything concrete, but public speculation alone. Number 3. Mining and staking. Centralized bodies like governments regulate fiat currencies. For crypto, it's the miners and stakers that do this job. They shoulder the task of validating the transactions on the respective blockchains. This risky adventure calls for substantial investment, including a decent hardware and software setup. In addition, professional knowledge is mandatory to start with crypto mining or staking. However, they reap excellent rewards, mostly in the same crypto asset they mine or stake. Number 4. Altcoin. Altcoin is short for alternative coin. This term, altcoin, is used for all other coins other than the mighty Bitcoin. The indication is clear that no coin is as important as the first cryptocurrency. As of making this video, this isn't completely untrue. When judged by market cap, Bitcoin is bigger than the other top 9 coins combined. However, some people go at length and call all the others shitcoins, a derogatory version of altcoins. Number 5. Bitcoin maximalist. Bitcoin maximalists share a common belief about the supremacy of Bitcoin over altcoins. They in fact don't support creating other coins and go on to argue that only Bitcoin holds the key to decentralized finance. In addition, they indicate that the length of any blockchain network is its core strength, where Bitcoin easily wins over others. However, other cryptos came into existence to address the shortcomings of the Bitcoin network, such as the huge carbon footprint of Bitcoin mining. As per 2021 data, the Bitcoin network emits the same amount of carbon dioxide, 37 megatons per year, into the atmosphere as entire New Zealand. So, only the future holds the fate of Bitcoin maximalism, and it will be interesting to see if Bitcoin actually renders other cryptocurrencies useless and becomes the future of all decentralized transactions. Before we move on to the next one, please like and subscribe to the channel for more crypto-related content in the future. Number 6. BTFD. The biggest drawback of crypto is its volatility. Their value frequency fluctuates, making them routinely dance through highs and lows. BTFD, buy the fucking dip, is the dangerous modus operandi for the uncaring crypto investor. It's about buying every time the crypto slides. The sole purpose is to maximize the crypto amount for a given sum in the hopes of having lucrative gains in the future. Number 7. Decentralized applications. dApps are like normal apps but decentralized, free from any central regulating authority. They use crypto chain technology to function and store data. A normal user might not notice any difference in the interface. It's the underlying code that stays open to users. In addition, they are governed by smart contracts, and any change in the application protocol mandates user consensus. For instance, Decentraland is a dApp that is a metaverse to explore virtual worlds. Number 8. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. Decentralized finance is an attempt to replace the current centralized financial system. With no middleman, users will control their assets, using them at their will without hefty transaction fees and cutting processing times. This also removes the need for approvals from banks or governments. Powered by the blockchain, every transaction will be permanent with the DeFi services accessible with just an internet connection. In addition, DeFi works without any personal identification. The easiest and the oldest application of DeFi is Bitcoin. It lets you control your funds, making you the sole authority without any intermediary. Number 9. Digital Fiat, aka CBDC. Central Bank Digital Currencies, or CBDC, or Digital Fiat, are virtual versions of government-backed money. The concept is to have an alternative financial system without the demerits cryptocurrencies ship with. They can be held on public or private blockchains. Alternatively, CBDC can leverage the security of public blockchains and the control of private blockchains by deploying hybrid chains. The key difference between crypto and digital fiat will remain the volatility and convenience of use. While Bitcoin and other cryptos sound so futuristic, its use as a regular currency isn't there yet. However, the actual application of CBDC on a country-wide scale is yet to materialize anywhere, and it is suspected to have its fair share of problems such as cybercrimes. Number 10. Fork. Forks are upgrades to blockchain protocols. They can be milder, soft forks, and still be backward compatible, or the newer rules can be severe, resulting in a hard fork dividing the network from that point onwards. For instance, the Bitcoin community was divided on a block size limit, which roughly relates to transaction verification speed. This resulted in a hard fork, leading to the creation of Bitcoin Cash in August 2017, which increased the block size to 8 MB from the original 1 MB. In contrast, SegWit was a soft Bitcoin fork that allowed faster transaction verification while keeping the original block size, and it obviously didn't create yet another chain. However, after some time, the Bitcoin community was again at loggerheads. Some developers wanted to reduce the mining difficulty to discourage the use of tailored hardware like the ASIC miners. This resulted in Bitcoin Gold, which changed the hashing algorithm to favor ordinary miners with everyday graphic cards. Number 11. Genesis Block. Genesis Block is the first ever block in any blockchain network, also known as Block 0. This is the only block in the whole network not referring to any previous block. In addition, this gets solely created by the developer without any decentralized network. Hope you liked the video. We'll see you in the next one.